Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another analysis on Faceless Finance. I hope you are having a wonderful day till now, and today I have a beautiful structure chart here. It's another Chinese company. As I said in the last video, there are going to be coming a lot of videos about Chinese companies in the future and the near future, because there is high potential in the Chinese markets right now. Basically, the Chinese government has announced a very big stimulus package for the Chinese industry, and the market has reacted very bullish on that. Obviously, we have to see in the future how this is all going to carry on, but we are looking good right now. And we placed a lot of the zones before these news came out. So there you see again the power of Elliott waves. And yeah, let's get into the structure. So we've finished already our first wave 1 for our bullish cycle. Let's go into the long-term structure here. We had our IPO in January 21, or the end of 2020, better said, and from there a very harsh correction after a little spike up. And this correction has unfolded beautifully here. We had a 5-wave impulse in our C wave, ending with an ending diagonal triangle, looking also beautiful structure-wise. And from our low for the second wave, we already went out to finish our first wave 1 in blue speaking here. And yeah, the correction for the wave 2 is probably complete. We hit our price zone like 2 or 3 times here. And we had a beautiful structure for this correction, so we came down in a 5-wave impulse for our wave A, back up with a zigzag for our B wave, and back down with a 5-wave impulse in our C wave to complete the 2. And as you can see, we hit the goals for the 5th wave, internally speaking, of the C wave perfectly here. I'm gonna show you the levels. So the levels were... the levels were between, I don't know why it's not showing here, but the levels were between 38.2% and 61.8%, so the golden ratio level. We came down into this zone and back up. I see the fault right there, as you can see. And yeah, we hit the zone. I've already deactivated it because this is probably the end of the wave 2 cycle here. And yeah, the big zone is still active though. We are probably going to retest this again. We already tested it once, but if we go into the imminent structure here, we probably finished our first wave 1 cycle. The last move up here is most probably a B wave, an overshooting B wave, and we are going to come down in a C wave to complete the 2. And yeah, so we are probably going to come down back into the zone again, maybe later on when we finish the 3 again, or the first wave 1 of this 3. But yeah, so anything between $17.22 and $9.91 are very interesting price points for me to play this stock long term. If we take this low out, then we can expand further down, maybe even to the 88.7% Fibonacci level here. But this is very unlikely from current moment speaking. In my opinion, I think we are done with the 2 and we are up to go into our wave 3 now. And yeah, I've already set up a new price zone for you. The green one. Anything between $16.13 and $14.04 are very interesting here for the wave 2. And from there we should go up into our wave 3, or the internals of the wave 3. And yeah, I'm going to show you the price goals for this 3rd wave here, the one in blue speaking now. Keep in mind, these are long-term price goals, so we aren't going to hit them anything soon. They're probably going to take a few months to probably a few years. But yeah, in this example, we are going to say the bottom is in. We finished our wave 2 and we are going into our wave 3 now. So this would be a price change to the first price goal at $54.19, of about 323% from the low to about 527% to the expansion to our second price goal here. So yeah, high potential for this market. From current levels speaking, this would still be a change in about 190% to about 329%, which is still amazing. And yeah, so very interesting stock here in my opinion. Very good structure in my opinion. We had a beautiful impulse here in our wave 1, and the wave 2 is also perfect in my opinion. So yeah, keep an eye on this one. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a like. If you didn't, give me a dislike. Tell me what I did wrong. I would love to improve on that. And tell me what stocks, cryptos, or commodities you want me to analyze next. I know a lot of you want a stocks update, so tomorrow I'm going to be making a video on that. Be stoked on this one, and yeah, I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Have a nice one.